Hey guys, it's Autumn. I'm going to make a birthstone soap, April's birthstone soap, and their birthstone is a diamond and their flower is a daisy. So I'm going to use a heart-shaped quartz crystal on top, kind of represent the diamond, and then I have little soapy diamonds to put on top too, and little soapy daisies. So it'll be super cute. And yeah, and there's a surprise on the inside. We'll check that out in a minute. All right, I'll pop back in a sec. Yeah, this yellow, it goes through a whole color morph thing. And then when I put the fragrance oil, it goes in even weirder color, but I promise it will go back to the nice soft yellow that you see with the mica, that the mica is. And yeah, isn't that, wow. It's amazing that it goes that color and then it goes all the way back to yellow. Kind of crazy. All right, here comes the surprise on the inside. I'm using an MP melt and pour soap embed. And it's gonna go all the way through the soap like you can see. It's a little crooked. One side's higher than the other, but not by much. But it just goes along with the diamond and clear, sparkly, just all that. I think it's beautiful, and you will love the effect at the end. All right. When I make frosting, I don't use a separate recipe. I just take a certain amount off of my batch and set it to the side. It kind of thickens up during the time that I'm making the main part. And then with this one, just added some titanium dioxide and put it in a piping bag. Wait till it gets to a really thick consistency and it's pipeable. All right. The clear quartz crystal that I'm putting on top is completely see-through, as you can see. So I wanted to put something below it, underneath it, that was nice and sparkly so you could see through the quartz and down into the sparkles, and it reflects, and it's a really cool effect. So that's why you see me putting the glitter before I put down the embeds. glitter before the embeds and lots of glitter after the embeds. The little silver balls, those are just cake sprinkles, cupcake sprinkles that you put on top of cupcakes. Well, there it is. And my embed's a little crooked, and it looks like my bottom layer was a little crooked too, but it's still gorgeous. I might try this again. We'll see with with May's Birthstone, which is my birthday, so it's gonna have to be extra special. Well, what do you guys think? Is it a cool idea? Do you like the embed? I think it's gorgeous with the glitter, all the sparklies. I'm in love. Let me know in the comments below if you like it. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you would like to see more videos from me. And thank you for watching this one. All right, bye.